Hi everyone, and in this video we're going to learn how to adjust our websites for mobile versions. Okay, so if you look in the upper left hand corner, you'll see three different blue buttons up here, or different icons. Okay, if you select here, this is going to bring you to your tablet version. All right, now this is everything here on your tablet. Now what you can do is check this little magic button here, and what that is going to do is adjust all. Okay, and then that's going to bring everything onto your page here like so. Now if you want to change things around, all you have to do is drag them up to bottom. Now if you want to close some gaps, so let's say we have some gaps here, if you click on the icon or the element below and click on this icon here, this little downward arrow, when you pull up, what you're going to pull up, say here, it's a little smaller. So what you're going to pull up here is going to be everything that is below. So it won't just pull it element by element. It'll pull everything so that you don't lose any content or you don't lose any design, okay? Now, you can do the same thing here with cell phones. So let's say we come here, press our button, adjust to all. Okay, and now everything is here on our canvas. So let's say we want this to be a little bit bigger here. We can change our size. All right, if we want our letters to be a little bit larger, we can change here as well, or our buttons. Now let's say here, well, this is HTML. Let's go ahead and find some text. So let's say we have text here. Instead of having the whole editor for the text, inside of your mobile versions, if you right click, go into text, or you can change the size of your font by sliding here. So it's a little bit different, but it's a lot easier when you're working on your mobile devices. Or you can also change the line spacing in between the elements and the outside. Here is where you change the color. And you have a multitude of colors here. You can also go into more colors and change via this drag. All right, so let's get out of here. Now, the important thing to know about the mobile versions is that the desktop is the master version. All right, when I say that, I mean that anything that you change on here is going to change on all three of your versions. So if you delete something from your desktop, it will delete from here. Now, if you delete something here from your tablet version or your mobile, it will not allow you to delete. What it will do is it will hide it here for you instead, because you cannot delete it here. You can only hide it. So if you want to do something like have an image here, so let's say we add in an image. Okay, and let's just keep the default here. So let's say it's right here on our canvas. Now when we go here to our tablet version, okay, adjust all. If we see here, it's going to be here on my canvas. Now, if I go here to my mobile version as well, the same thing is going to happen. It's going to be here as well. Now, let's say I don't want it to be on my cell phone version. All I have to do is right click, click on this element, and it's going to hide. So it's not going to delete it, but it will not show here. Now, if you want to go ahead and put your website out for mobile versions, let's go ahead and delete here. But you don't really have time or haven't had the time to adjust everything one by one. What you can also do is come over here to your settings. All right, go into platform settings and then select no. All right, now when you select no here, what it's saying is that it's going to not activate these two versions here. You're saying no to the activation. Now when you select yes here, that means that instead of using the regular website, it's going to use this version. If we select no, what's going to happen is that this same website version is going to show up on the tablet and on the smartphone, okay, just as it shows here. All right, just going to be a little bit smaller and adjust to their screen size. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.